Windows 10 is officially done and Windows 11 is great and beautiful, but it's not meant for every hardware. But what if I told you there's an operating system that looks like Windows, works on your unsupported hardware, and most importantly, respects your privacy? In 2026, over 2 million people have already made this jump. This is Zorin OS 18, and today I'm going to show you why it's the only Windows alternative you actually need. Zorin OS is a free operating system designed to look and feel exactly like the Windows environment. However, unlike Windows, it runs much smoother even on older PCs that can't handle Windows 11. It's built on the rock-solid foundation of Ubuntu. Zorin is incredibly stable, reliable, and user-friendly right out of the box. Whether you're a student, a developer, or someone who just wants a fast, private way to browse the web, Zorin Core delivers a premium experience. The biggest fear people have when switching to Linux is, will I have to relearn everything? With Zorin, the answer is definitely no. By using the Zorin appearance, you can transform the entire interface with a single click. You can make it look exactly like Windows 10, Windows 11, or even macOS if you're feeling a bit fancy. Your taskbar and start menu works exactly the way you remember. So why should you choose Zorin OS over Windows? Let me break it down for you. Now, first of all, it's completely free. You don't have to buy a license key or pay for expensive upgrades unless you choose the Pro Edition for extra features. You can save a lot of money using Zorin Core or Zorin Education, especially if you have multiple computers at home or in a classroom. Next, it's super fast. Zorin boots up almost instantly and runs applications significantly faster than Windows. Even on older laptops that struggle with modern updates, Zorin feels super smooth, snappy, and responsive. Another big advantage is the zero bloatware experience. Windows usually comes packed with pre-installed applications and software that you never asked for. Zorin doesn't do that. It's clean, giving you only the essential tools you actually need. Also, Zorin is highly customizable. You can easily change the entire look, the themes, the icons, and the layout with just a few clicks. You can make your desktop truly yours without needing any extra tools. But most importantly, Zorin respects your privacy. Unlike other operating systems, it doesn't track your activity. Your information stays with you exactly where it belongs. If you are worried that installing Zorin OS is difficult, just don't be. Setting up Zorin OS is actually incredibly simple. Let me walk you through the quick process. Now first, head over to the official Zorin OS website and download the Core Edition. This is the version I recommend for most people because it's perfectly balanced for daily usage. Next, you need a tool like Rufus to flash Zorin OS onto 8GB or higher USB drive. Once your USB is ready, restart and choose to boot from the USB drive. When the Zorin menu appears, just click on Install and follow the on-screen steps. The entire process takes about 15 minutes, but here is the best part. You can actually try Zorin OS without installing. By selecting Try Zorin option, you can run the entire system directly from your USB drive to see how you like it before making any permanent changes to your hard drive. This is completely risk-free. Now let's take a closer look at what actually makes Zorin OS awesome. The first up is the software store. Think of it like a smartphone app store. There you can download thousands of free applications, everything from Firefox to VLC and gaming. It's very easy to use and everything installs with just a single click. Next, we have the optimized GNOME desktop. It's very clean, modern, and feels instantly familiar if you are coming from a Windows background. Everything is exactly where you expect to be. When it comes to updates, Zorin gives you full control. No more annoying random restarts while you're in the middle of something important. You decide exactly when to update and the system will never interrupt your work. Zorin also includes some fantastic new features for 2026 like smoother touchpad gestures and even better support for gaming. In fact, I have got Steam running right now, and as you can see, it's working perfectly. Thanks to Proton, you can play thousands of popular titles without any hassle. If your current system doesn't meet the hardware requirements for running Windows 11, then try Zorin OS. It's built on rock-solid Linux foundation that gives you modern features on your old hardware. If you're a student, it's a game changer for school work. Zorin offers a specialized education edition that is specifically designed for schools, teachers, and students in 2026. It remains one of the most powerful tools for bridging the digital divide in classrooms. It comes preloaded with a wealth of educational content and professional-grade tools like Scratch 3. Because it's highly optimized, it runs very smoothly on PCs up to 15 years old. Even in the Core Edition, you get everything you need for productivity. It includes the LibreOffice suite, which works just like Microsoft Word and Excel. For the developers out there, you will love it too. The tools like Google's Anti-Gravity, Android Studio, VS Code runs perfectly. If you have an old PC lying around, install Zorin on it and watch it feel fast and useful again. It is the Swiss Army knife of operating systems, simple, powerful, and built for everyone. And that's why Zorin OS is the ultimate Windows alternative in 2026. It's free, fast, and packed with modern features. Let me know what you think about this in the comment section down below. If this video helped you, hit that like button and subscribe to see more content. Thank you so much for watching. This is been KSK Royal. I will see you in the next one.